Out here again for another practice session. Decided to move to a different location due to the magnetic properties of certain trees. Keep an eye on the flags. I use the goal to see how close I am to the ground. The videos I watch, these guys are like flying through the ground, going through these different paths and things, so I really want to do that. But I got lost in the beauty of it all, having all this room to fly and no trees. So I came here today to practice like dives, turns, and flying close to the ground. Badly at times, sometimes great. And sometimes the footage gets like a little wild, but I filmed it anyway. But look at all this room to fly. Man, I envy those guys that live out in the country and out west. And still, I just utilize this 2-3 little soccer fields right here. So when I go out here again, I'm gonna take up a little bit more of this space. What happens usually when I turn back from when I go out far is because the radio signal starts getting jumpy. This is off the run cam camera. It's off the run cam camera, so it doesn't break up. I guess I shouldn't say radio signal. I guess the video signal from the camera. But yeah, I got lost in this, man. I just started flying just aimlessly. Supposed to came out here practice landing. For some reason, I'm having a problem landing. I'm like 2 out of 5 times landing upright. This is like one of my favorite shots here. And here comes the run. That was my dive.